Most people think waking up at 4:30 a.m. is about willpower. They think you need to be a morning person or have superhuman discipline. They're wrong. Waking up early isn't a personality trait, it's a biological hack. If you've ever hit snooze 5 times only to wake up feeling like a zombie, this video is for you. Today, I'm revealing the 6 biological triggers that will move you from exhausted to energized before the sun even rises, even if you went to bed late. And stick around for secret number 6, because it's the one thing that separates the top 1% of performers from everyone else. Secret 1, the physical distance rule. Your brain is a master manipulator in the first 5 seconds of waking up. If your phone is next to your bed, your brain will convince you that 5 more minutes is a good idea. The hack. Place your alarm in another room or across the hallway. Force your body to move. The moment your feet hit the cold floor and you stand upright, your reticular activating system kicks in. You've already won 40% of the battle just by standing up. Secret 2, the 500 milliliters internal alarm. You aren't tired. You're dehydrated. After 7 hours of sleep, your brain is literally shrinking from lack of water. The hack. Before you touch your coffee, chug 500 milliliters of water. This sends a survival signal to your internal organs. It's like a cold splash of water, but for your brain. Within 60 seconds, your mental fog will start to lift. Secret 3, photobiomodulation. Light is the key. Your body doesn't run on clock time. It runs on light. Darkness triggers melatonin, the sleep hormone. The hack. The second you turn off your alarm, flip every switch in the room. If you can, step onto a balcony or open a window. Sunlight or even bright LED light tells your brain to stop producing melatonin and start producing cortisol to wake you up. Stop fighting your biology and start using it. Secret 4. Replace notifications with the mission. Most people wake up and immediately check Instagram or email. You are literally inviting other people's agendas into your brain before you've even brushed your teeth. This kills your dopamine. The hack. Keep a mission card on your nightstand. One sentence. I'm waking up to build your goal. Whether it's the gym, your side hustle, or your peace of mind. Remind yourself why you're awake before the world tells you what to care about. Secret 5. The micro routine. No decision zone. Decision fatigue is the silent killer of early mornings. If you have to think about what to wear or what to eat, you will go back to sleep. The hack. Use a 2-minute non-negotiable flow. Stand up, drink, wash face, move. Don't think, just execute the code. Once the 2 minutes are over, your momentum will carry you through the day. Secret number 6, the identity shift, the master key. This is the most important part. Stop saying, I'm trying to wake up early. Someone who is trying is just waiting for an excuse to fail. The hack. Adopt the identity. Say, I'm the type of person who owns the morning. When you shift from trying to being, the 4:30 a.m. alarm stops being a choice and starts being a standard. You don't negotiate with your standards. But here's the pro tip for those who sleep late. If you only get 5 hours of sleep, don't stress about the quantity. Focus on the first 90 minutes. If you win those first 90 minutes, your brain will stay in high performance mode for the rest of the day. Reaching 4:30 a.m. is the first step to changing your life. If you want to start your journey, please comment below I'm in and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. Stay sharp till the next one.